This video will demonstrate how to utilize linked views within Estimation MEP. Linked views allow you to quickly navigate between two locations on a given drawing. To place a linked view, click the linked view icon in the toolbar up top, and then click to place the first linked view annotation. Next, you can either cancel the operation by clicking the Cancel button, or click Next to continue. After clicking Next, you can then navigate to the location on your drawing that you wish to place the second linked view. When placing a linked view, it will remember the location as well as the zoom level. To utilize your linked views, hover over the linked view annotation and then click the link. You will be returned to the location of the point placed. You may also place linked views on two separate drawings. So in this example, I'm going to place a linked view here, and then I'm going to navigate to my drawing 2, and then click Next. Hovering over the linked view annotation shows that it's linked to drawing 1, and then when I'm on drawing 2, it shows that the corresponding linked view annotation is on drawing 2. If you rename a drawing, let's go ahead and rename it. And then we'll navigate to this linked view. We will see that the link text has been updated as well. Additionally, you can resize linked views so that they can be more visible on your drawing. Click to select the linked view, and then use the movement handles around the box to increase or decrease the size of your linked view. Please note that when deleting a linked view, it will delete its corresponding linked view. So on drawing 2, I have deleted the linked view. Returning to my drawing 1, we will see that the linked view is updated. When they reside on the same drawing, the process is the same. Deleting one linked view will delete its corresponding linked view.